Pretty real right now.
Right now.
Right now.
I guess we have a car.
That's big. I get to actually be here.
This is your car.
That's great news.
It's your car. You gonna drive it back to Mass?
No. It's hitting home. It's all together now, and I still can't believe I get to take this home and enjoy it there.
Feeling a little nervous?
A little, yeah.
A little excited?
Definitely excited.
How real is it right now?
It's pretty real right now.
Right now?
Right now.
How real was it yesterday?
It was still pretty real because we were like, you know, we got flights out, we're on the way. It's gotta be real, right? Like we're going there.
Yeah, you got a plane ticket.
Yeah, I'm not dreaming.
The fact that you supported us years ago and then signed up to win this exact car.
Yeah.
And then we're watching the live stream. Like it's just, to me, it's just a really cool thing. And what else do we have for these guys? I guess we have a car.
That's big.
And we got $50,000 in cash.
Oh, that's, yeah.
You enough with this chit chat?
I'm ready for you whenever you guys are.
He's ready now. I can tell. Let's go see this car, dude.
Awesome, yeah. That thing is so cool. Oh man, I don't even know what to do. Let's sit in the car. You guys did awesome.
I love it. He's ready to go.
It's unbelievable, really.
It's a beautiful car, man. And like you said, this one is done up incredibly. I'll introduce you to Chris Esparza. He runs our garage
How
here.
you doing, man?
Nice to meet you.
Congratulations.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Thank you. And we bought this car mostly done, but there was some touches that he did, and he can walk you through everything on this thing, tip to tail, so you can kind of start to get her, know her a little bit.
Yeah, main thing is probably gonna be under the hood.
Yeah.
So it's a Blueprint Engines 347. I'm sure you probably saw a few videos of it, but just a good, solid, small block Ford. Makes over 400 horsepower, fuel injected. So this thing is just a really, really solid Mustang, something you can just get in and go enjoy. Take it in for a minute and then we'll take it out so you can get the full experience.
I'm really actually like, it's like a brand new gas pedal.
Yeah, it's got like all the get up and go like right now in it.
Yeah, it's ready. It's just ready to go.
Yeah. It takes a minute to get used to it for sure.
I would say that throttle is, you know.
Yeah, that's what it is the throttle's so sensitive. It's like, I feel like you just barely got to breathe on it.
You got to find the in between, and then when you think you have it,
then it wants to go again.
Yeah, it's absolutely incredible. I mean, like I said, you go from, hey, that's an awesome car, I'm gonna buy my entries and see what happens, to taking a phone call, to setting up a trip, coming out here, driving it. I still can't believe it. I mean, I just drove it around, and I still can't believe I get to take this home and enjoy it there. I had gotten a notification from Instagram that you guys were going live with the winner, so I started streaming it on my way out the door, watching it on Instagram, and I think right before I started driving home, you had kicked everyone over to YouTube. So I switched over to YouTube real quick, plugged my phone in, put it in the center console and started driving, listening, you know, waiting for everything to get rolling. Heard the missed call on your end, heard the missed call on your end, and then I thought, maybe he's trying to call me, maybe it's me, you know? So I looked at my phone, saw I had 2 missed calls from a California number, figured like this is either really bad timing for a spam call or this guy's trying to call me right now. So I called the number back, I think you were trying to call me back again. I hung up, your call came through, I picked up, and I was in complete disbelief that it was actually you who I was just listening to on my radio talking to me on my phone now. Absolutely enter, absolutely buy that shirt, buy that hat, buy that keychain, buy whatever you need to, buy those gifts for other people, get yourself some extra entries, and just go for it, because it does happen, it's real. You get to come out here, you get to drive your dream car, and you get to go home with it.
You know what we gotta do? Have you seen our winners wall? So this is where you guys, the exclusive club that have won cars and cash from RestoMods,
There they all are.
you'll live forever. So you're gonna be RM32, and you're gonna live right here, but we wanted to get your John Hancock on the photo here. So this is the photo that'll live, and then we're gonna keep your patch up here as well.
Awesome.
From your fire station. There you go. In addition to winning the car and the cash, we had a fan that put together this kind of cool resin composite piece of art of your car, and I think that's a air freshener in there, maybe a sticker, in this cool kind of green, so it sort of matches the Mustang and sort of matches your shirt. But they told us that they wanted us to pass this along to the winner, and it was made by Anthony Javier, who is at Javi_1mm. on Instagram. So we'll tag him here in this post if you want to check out his art. And he wanted you to have
Awesome.
that.
Thank you. Thank you very much. This is awesome. I'm Joe Rose. I'm from Middleborough, Massachusetts. I just won this 1969 Mustang Fastback and $50,000 from RestoMods.